Today we have a small discussion, case study discussion on electronic devices in biomedical applications. Okay, as we all know, we have many biomedical applications and devices in biomedical applications. In specific, we will have one device and what are the materials we have in that device, and we will discuss in detail about it. Okay, right? Shall we start?
Yeah, ma'am, I would like to take the initiative. Hello guys. So as ma'am said, today we are going to see electronic devices in biomedical. We will go with the basic thing, but it involves in many important health issues. I will say the device name after. First I'm saying what are all they can predict. First of all, hypertension and cardiovascular problems, which have been increasing in India in a very large number nowadays. A device which can predict that in early stages, nothing but a digital BP apparatus. So it uses systole and diastole, and it finds using the digital method electronically. So I think we can have our case study on this one. And the main thing is it is non-invasive, so no blood loss will be there or no pain will be there in our body, and it will be very cost effective. So even poor people can access it. And in every hospitals and nowadays in homes also people are using this digital BP apparatus. So what is your point on this?
So now we are going to say about the components and the working of the bead monitor. So first it consists of four main parts: the cuff, the pressure sensor, microcontroller, and the display. Firstly, the cuff is placed on the arm to temporarily stop the blood flow. Then the pressure sensor inside the cuff will detect the blood pulse. Then the microcontroller will calculate the readings like the systolic and diastolic pressure from the readings. Then it will be gathered displayed on the digital display. Then most of the beep machines are based on the principle of oscillometry method to provide accurate results.
Now we discuss about the significance of beep apparatus. This device is extremely useful for biomedical fields, biomedical engineering and fields. And it helps to identify the low or high blood pressure. It discover efficient serious conditions like stroke or heart attack, and it is used in medical equipments and hospitals, especially in ICU patients. It is non-invasive, and it helps the patient feel comfort, and overall it helps for the doctors to monitor the patients.
So I am going to discuss the advantages and limitations. So consider BP digital BP machines more using manual BP digital machine is more accurate to use, and it is portable to use by readings patient monitoring, and it remains a key tools to understand the patient's doctor's level of patient level. Comparing digital and manual BP monitoring, digital is more accurate by comparing manual because it is too fast and portable and accurate to use with patients monitoring.
So I am going to explain about the future trends of the BP apparatus. In nowadays having normal BP apparatus, in upcoming days having the digital blood pressure monitoring. It will completely integrate with the AI, with the use for smartphones and smart wearables like smartwatches. These entire it will be integrated. The BP apparatus it will give a current accurate values of systole and diastole. The diastole values. When the ventricular contractions, it will give the 130 to 140 or 160 milliliters, and the systole contractions, systole value is ventricular relaxations of 50 to 60 deciliters or milliliters, we will say. It is very cost effective and it is very simple to use. It is improves more accuracy when compared to manual of the digital blood pressure monitoring to preventive healthcare, and becomes more cost in healthcare sector.
Okay, as we all discussed about the BP apparatus, that is the device which is used to identify the BP of a patient, right? playing a vital role in the patients, where because we individually use in our homes, right? We all have that at home to identify the BPs of the elderly patients who is at home. Okay, that will be very useful in understanding the BP of a patient, and in future we'll be after identifying the BP, and we'll be able to take the patient to immediately to doctors or something like that. Thank you for the cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you.